these ones for school. I think these ones will be good enough. I bought 3 in total. Pink, purple, and blue. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I'm grabbing lamb meatballs.
Are these good?
I like them.
This is like a buffet style. So. I'm gonna buy these from Muji. I love Muji, but they don't have any in my city, so I have to buy it online. But I'm just gonna buy like 4 notebooks in the size A6, and then I'm getting the pack of 10 for the gel ink ballpoint. These ones are so good because they're the clicky. If you don't have like Muji pens, like you should definitely try it. Blind box. Wait! Is it the one you wanted? No, I think it's this one. Oh, wait. Oh. Wait, I got this. Oh, the little, He's like, he's cute. He's pretty derpy. Oh my god! There's a card.
Oh no, I didn't. Did I? Oh, I did.
Oh, he's pretty cute.
Why is it so fat?
I don't know, it's so big. Oh, he's actually so cute. Building.
That we can't get round them yet. We need more dialogue.
Queenie.